The angel roll is another roll along the length of the arms, but typically the angel roll is done in the vertical plane. It's useful to be able to halo roll well before you angel roll. You can start as if doing a halo roll and then keep your ending arm straight and let it roll to your hand. But this is tricky to get right if you want it to help your angel roll. So it's best just to start with a full-on angel roll, but learn it in the 45-degree plane. If you haven't practiced it before, it can be a little tricky to start off in the 45-degree plane, but in time it'll become obvious. So start with your arm high, so that the staff can pick up momentum as it rolls down your arm. Let the staff roll out over your hand, not over the thumb, so that it remains on the underside of your forearm as it rolls to the elbow. Then it'll wrap around your arm and roll along the back of your upper arm till it reaches your back. Then it rolls across your back and does the same motion in reverse on your other arm. It's quite an interesting movement since it's a roll that's not horizontal. It also includes wraps, just like a Steve does. You'll notice that your second arm has to raise to slow the roll of the staff down, so that it doesn't fly off. A good angel roll should go from hand to hand without you dropping your arm to catch it. Also, notice that the body turns slightly to keep the staff on the arm. The weight of the staff is taken a little by downwards force on your body, but since it's only at a 45-degree angle and not entirely free from gravity's relentless grasp, you have to keep a constant pressure against the staff to stop it from sliding down. You do this by turning slightly against the staff, so you keep it on you. Once you get proficient, you can keep your arms horizontal and do a quick pull of the staff in towards your body to give the staff enough momentum to do the roll.